Welcome to Serene Mind Studio. If you're feeling overwhelmed right now, you're exactly where you need to be. For the next few minutes, I will guide you step by step. There's nothing you need to get right. Simply follow my voice, and we will breathe together. First, let's begin by sitting or lying down, wherever feels most comfortable for you. Rest your hands on your lap or by your sides. If you feel safe, gently close your eyes. If not, simply soften your gaze. Now, take a slow breath in through your nose and breathe out gently through your mouth. Again, inhale slowly and exhale softly. One more time, breathing in calm and breathing out tension. Now, let your breath settle into its own comfortable rhythm. Just notice the gentle movement of your breath. Now, notice how you feel inside. You might feel anxious, frustrated, sad, or even unsure. Whatever is here right now is completely okay. You don't need to push anything away or make anything go away. Simply say softly in your mind, "This is what I feel right now," and that's okay. If your mind starts to wander, or if you feel confused, just return to your breath. You can always come back to breathing in and breathing out. You're doing exactly what you need to do. Just staying present with your breath. With every exhale, imagine your body softening just a little. You are not trying to fix your feelings. You are simply giving them space. Now let's say together in your mind, "I allow myself to feel. I am safe. I am allowed to pause. This moment will pass." If at any point you feel lost, simply come back to your breath. Breathing in calm. Breathing out tension. Take one final deep breath in and exhale fully. You have just given your mind and body a safe pause. Whenever emotions feel too strong, you can always return to this simple practice. You are safe, you are doing your best, and that is enough. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Carry this calm into the rest of your day. Namaste.